LLY stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Pre-market, is Eli Lilly and Company stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief and short 1-minute video. First of all, it corrected down quite quietly on Friday. I myself, I mean, technically the whole last week was just us going down, and that's fair. I've got like, beforehand I was looking for 2 longs and I got 2 break-evens, and that's totally normal part of the game. It's not just gonna be wins. They are inevitable losses and they're gonna happen. Now, especially with Eli Lilly, my man, if it doesn't give me the correction, this is, Monday is probably not gonna be enough data for me to just act and come to the conclusion to buy or not. But yeah, it probably, even if it starts pumping, you know, all that, I'll still need more data, more candles to appear. And it's probably over a couple of days, 2, 3, 4 days. I don't know exactly how much, but I'll obviously continue to keep you updated. And with Lilly, I also have a bunch of good receipts in the Discord. Now, yeah, that's exactly how it's looking like for me. I basically just wait a bit more, just so I can have more candles appear. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next.